Hello, my friends. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Yes, you're my friends because you're the only ones I talk to. No, I have a family. There is neighbors, but yeah, I would rather come and craft than hang out with people. Okay, what's that say about me? Yikes. Anyway, this is an unboxing of the finishing school. Don't even know the name of it because I haven't unboxed it. Am I the only one that saves the paper here? I reuse this tissue paper, so I try not to put holes in it and all. I have a stack of it. Look at this. This is why I bought this finishing school. I've loved all of them, but blue is my favorite, and I have blue toile. I used to have it in my old house as curtains, and I have a bolt of it and of material, and I'm going to make more curtains when we finish our new house. So anyway, I love this, and it is Anna Griffin Finishing School Craft Box Cartoon Blue. Cartoon, Canton, cartoon. There's no R in it, so it's cartoon. Okay. Anyway, let's look inside. I don't need the code because I'm in finishing school. But oh my lord, I don't even know what I'm getting. Okay, so I'm getting a window and a table and these pieces. And oh, no, 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 no. It's slimline, which I had forgotten, which now I realize. Oh my lord, look at everything I can do. And here is the back. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to buy just this paper again for 5x7 and everything else. Here, let's just open it up and get in it. And I'll show you everything. If you don't want to see, thank you for stopping by. Push the like, sub, whatever. These boxes are gorgeous, but I only use, a little bit and save them and all. I want to recreate this box. Speaking of recreating a box, I just made a template, and this is how I figure it out. And I just made this, and it holds 5x7 cards. This is 5x7. It can hold a 5x7 card, and then it's a whole little box. I'm going to be making that tutorial soon, but this is my sample, and this is me writing and figuring out. This is me on a test sheet. So yeah, anyway, okay, let's move this out of the way. Okay, so the die is a window for a slimline and a table and the biscuit jars, or what else would they call them? Urns. I don't want to say urns because it's vases, I guess. Well, biscuit jars from what the overseas calls it. But anyway, then we always get a lot of gold. And then let's look and see what the cards look like. Oh, I can tell you right now, if she puts this on sale, I'm gonna have to buy this paper line. Annie, she lives in Texas, and she said that she's looking for some papers. I don't know if you love blue like me. Oh, this is upside down. Oh, look how pretty. This has got Japanese or Chinese um, image. Well, they did the blue first with the glazing and all that. Oh, there you go. The toile I have is European style with the people swings and trees and all that. Look at that bird. This is very pretty. My mom is going to love this. That's a very light blue. Oh, that's nice for a man's card, isn't it? Oh, wow. Now that's an indoor house room. Look at there. Oh, there you go. So that was nice. Surprise. Okay, now let's see what these are. It might be the same thing. I never do unboxings. And you know, I want to get to this right away. Oh, so it's double-sided. Oh, look at those two together. Is that not beautiful together? Oh, this is wood for the table. I'm always uh-oh, froze up. I hope it didn't froze up on your end. Look at that green. Can you see that? I'm always behind. I get stuff and then I say, no, I'm going to finish this first. So I buy stuff and then I won't work on it for 6 months and y'all have already seen it over and over. I don't know how to change up my game. A lot of beige. A lot of beige. I wish she had some cherry. Mine was cherry with the blue and white like this and it popped nice. A lot of wood pieces. That's nice. That's going to be fun. I don't know how to envelopes. We don't get sentiments inserts for inside the card, so I do buy the pack of them. I think there's 100 or 200, and I put them in there. So I'm going to open all this stuff for y'all. Man. But yeah, you know, I'll put this to the side and I will not make it for a while. I don't know why, because I'm wanting to finish something else. And then by the time I make the video, it's too late. I'm not one to jump and make something in a tutorial. So, you know, by the time I make a video, y'all are long gone and seen it somewhere else. I need to figure out how to make y'all happy and me. Look at those baskets. Oh, look at the tabletop. And then this is windows. Wow. That's very nice. See, I'm looking at this and I don't want to use it. I'm going to have to, I'm going to use one or two, but I'm really going to have to, and all this, I really needed some of these. I'm running low. And she just had a pack for sale of just these, and you think, oh, you don't need to buy a whole pack. Believe me, you do, because you run low on them. And I'm doing a project for my daughter for Christmas, and I really need a lot of them. Oh, that noise. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, there's a lot of red roses. And I love the size now. I like the smaller size. Whoa, there's the pots. Flowering pots. Isn't that nice? There's another one under here. And then these little red roses. The kit has everything. The thing about using a kit is you forget how to use your own brain. So lately I'll work on a kit, but then I go and just pick out a paper pad and then pick out her dies, and then I've been creating my own thing, and the accomplishment you feel is really nice. But then when you make the kits, because she's got it so put together, it's hard not to just keep going back to those kits, and then you can get something done pretty fast. I love these colors of blues and these sentiments. Best wishes, just for you, thinking of you. Wow. Oh, it's my husband. Hold on. Hey, Johnny, I'm making a video. I don't know where he was. I hung up on him. If he calls back, he's going to say, why'd you hang up on me? I hope he heard me say I'm making a video. Oh, he didn't. Hello? I'm making a video. Hello? Are you with Axel? Hi, I'm making a video. Hi, Axel. Papa went to your house and surprised you? I'll call you in 5 minutes. Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, my husband made a detour to my grandson's house. We FaceTime our grandchildren all the time. Okay, let's get into this real fast because now I got to make a phone call. FaceTime. Look at these. What do you call these? Urns, biscuit barrels, vases. See, that's a vase. And that's a pot. See, like this. And I wish I could find those. In the United States, it's hard to find. I do have a couple of these in storage somewhere, and I'll never find them again. Okay, I still have storage from moving from Florida. All right, don't get me started. I'll get aggravated. Hopefully this Christmas, when we go back to Florida, we're going to get a lot of stuff out. But living in limbo and not having all your stuff for so long, it's mostly pictures that you miss. Look at those pieces. Oh, I love the blues and purples in the hydrangea. Okay, did we see everything? My Lord, look at that. Anyway, guys, I'm just rambling. Sorry. Do you want me to just be on the ball and give you tutorials? Because that's what I love doing. And of the new stuff right away. I don't know what you're looking for, because I just want to make y'all happy, and I love making videos and tutorials. So there you go, guys. This stuff is gorgeous. I'm so grateful that I bought this and I'm able to. But isn't that so pretty? I can't wait. And it's the perfect size and everything. So yeah, thank you. Have a blessed day.